Hello and welcome to the channel. What is this channel that you stumbled across? Well, this is an experiment in investing. So investing in stocks, the share market, and the idea of this channel is that we're going to create a new portfolio and starting from $0, try to build up that investment portfolio as big as I can get it. So this channel will track my progress. I'm a personal investor, and I'll be picking stocks and trying to build my portfolio basically as large as I can possibly get it. So as of yesterday, when I took this screenshot of my stock holdings, you can see that my stock holdings are sitting on zero. So I'm literally starting from zero, starting from scratch. And I took this screenshot from my broker dashboard. I'm using CMC here in Australia. And this is the other part of it. You can see that the value of my portfolio is zero. So I'm literally starting from zero. So I do have some money to get the ball rolling, not a huge amount, but I do have, obviously you need some money to invest. So I have a small amount of money that I'm going to start off with, and then we're going to build from that. So who am I? I am, as you can probably tell from my wonderful accent, I am an Australian. I'm employed full-time, and I'm neither young nor old, which I suppose is a coy way of saying that I'm middle-aged, but probably in a little bit of denial about that. So there it is. What are the goals of the channel? Well, what I really want to do is learn about investing. So through the process of documenting my stock purchases and so forth, I want to learn more about investing. I know a little bit, but I am not in finance, and I'm hoping to learn because I'm interested in it. The process will be that I'm going to be investing leftover money. So whatever money I have left at the end of my pay cycle, after all of my expenses and so forth, I'm going to invest. And some weeks it might not be a lot, others it might be a bit more. I'm also going to invest any windfalls that I might have. And my focus for my investment portfolio is going to be dividend stocks. So I'm looking for stocks that pay a decent dividend, starting here in Australia, but also looking at American stocks as well. There might be some growth stocks in there as well, or some ETFs, but I'll decide that as I go along. And in order to get the snowball rolling, we're going to be reinvesting dividends as we go along. So a little bit about me as an investor. I'm not really interested in fossil fuel or military companies or any gambling for my own reasons. No criticism on anyone that invests in that, but it's not for me. Probably no crypto at this point, but please feel free to attempt to change my mind on that. I'm not ruling that out entirely. No leveraging, so I'm not going to be borrowing to invest. I'm just going to be investing spare change, basically, and seeing how far I can get with that. And also, I am tolerant of risk. I understand that you need to take some risk in order to benefit. But I'm not going to be taking stupid risks. So I'm not going to be, leveraging and going for high risk ventures, etc. So tolerant of risk, but hopefully I'm not stupid about it. We'll see. So what's next? So I need to get the ball rolling with my portfolio. So the first thing I need to do is purchase my first stock. I need to do a little bit of research. With my first stock, I am unfortunately limited by my current lack of knowledge on how to analyze companies. So I'm probably going to be playing it reasonably safe and looking at an Australian company that's well established. More about that later. Speaking of, I need to learn more about picking dividend stocks. So this is one of the first thing that I need to develop educate myself on, is how to look at a company's fundamentals and decide whether or not I can invest in that company. So that's that. I hope that sounds interesting to you. If you're interested in investment and watching people pick pick stocks and build a portfolio, please subscribe to see how it goes. And if you know more than me, which you probably do, please feel free to offer some advice in the comments. Thank you very much.